Here are some great tips for you guys to cook gourmet in 20 minutes, haha, just like me. So first, you can do your rice for the week. Put it in a bag, done. Look at this, wonderful for mac and cheese, yummy. Then we have different size pasta for red sauces or white sauces. Then we also do soups and chilies, and you put it in a screw top container. This Betty Crocker one's great. And then you press to get all the air out, and then look how beautiful it freezes. That's frozen, ready to put in the microwave. And then we also do onions, and we put them double sealed. We use glass Pyrex because of the smell. And then we top, and to get rid of the smell so it doesn't go in the refrigerator, we put these in a Ziploc and seal it. So more great tips to help you prepare 20-minute gourmet meals or less. See you on the channel.